Yeah, Isaac NQ is a no go for me right now.
Well,
You there, Brian? Couldn't hear you.
there you go.
Oh, there you are.
Hey, all right. Good. Good. Finally got the grid. Then.
Um, so I got a question, Brian. On the auto on the bot, I turned it on and it literally made $63 in the micros, but the totals are showing totally different. Like my account shows $63, but the totals in the little thing say it's like 34. That's weird.
What?
Yeah, it's like the little how many trades, the realized unrealized total high, the max drawdown, all that stuff. Those numbers are off from what my balance says. I mean, I like my balance better. I'll take it.
So,
All right, here we go.
uh,
We'll worry about it.
this is gonna be so exciting, right? Yeah, we'll figure that
Hey,
out later.
we broke. Yeah, yeah.
That
Let's
I'm not
trade.
really sure about.
All right, let's figure that.
Let's make some moolah.
Make some money.
Well, we are open for business. Let's look how well we did yesterday with the all-time high, right? 610225. Somebody nailed that yesterday. Good job, guys. Wrong? Did we do this right?
Yeah,
I think we did that right, right?
I think so.
We did it pretty darn right, guys. So this seems like the type of morning where they're going to push it up to knock it down.
Yeah.
So we'll see. If it breaks above the all-time highs, obviously we got to be long. But I'm going to sit and wait here for a minute and see if we can get some clear direction. Um, like we said earlier, let's do the
Let's see here.
Let's see here.
Yeah, I like this little
I
grid
think
thing here.
that we might take a little shot on the short side just for the if it gets to that zone. Why is my zone not populating here? Oh, it's there. Okay. We just have
Oh,
zero
I
price
gotta
action.
go. I got them set up the wrong account. Dang it. Hey.
Ha ha. He
All
made fun of
right.
me earlier.
Yep. That's what happens.
And then a boo boo. I might short this if I were you guys. If you're trading solo and not showing off the tools that we have like I am.
All right.
I am definitely pushed up to knock it down a little bit. So kind of, I think we just need to wait a little bit longer for some clear direction here.
Good. Gives me time to change all my settings.
Change all your settings, huh?
Yeah, I had them on the wrong account. I don't know why, but for whatever reason. Does the M&W work on the YM? No, right? We have that set up yet?
It should. Take a shot at it. Do you want to share your when you get things reset up? Do you want to share your
Yes. Let me switch it the account because I shut
your
it off.
master?
It's up 175.50. I shut it down. So let me put it on another account because
Okay.
I don't want to give any of this
Put it
back.
on. Nope, don't do it.
Hold on. Let me switch my accounts and then I'll do that for you. Let me go
And then we'll
here
both put
and
that on another screen.
yeah.
Get Mr. Gridmaster showed off here.
Now, do you want me to do it on the ES or the YM? I was doing it on the NQ.
Whatever you want to do. You
It's
can
up to
put it
you.
on NQ. I
You
don't
tell
care.
me. I'll do
Put
it.
it
I'll
on,
run it
put
whatever
it
you
on
want.
NQ.
Okay.
Put it on NQ. Who cares?
Okay. That I can do.
I'm running on ES.
All right. Let me change this.
It's on. In my mobile setting that I have right now, I don't have hasn't taken the entry for me yet because well, just got it turned on. So I'm literally flat.
Let's do.
I'm not running the sim right now, so
Let's change it to this.
get some traction rolling here.
And I'll run it both ways.
All right, let's see. All right, targets off. You took the short. I called both YMES. Did anybody do that? I called the short. Not turning green or red. Okay, Bob. We'll get that sorted out for you. Definitely. So you
when
have it
they're
on the tick chart, right, Bob? Anybody take the short? Let me ask this question first and foremost. I called the short a while ago, both NQY, for both YMES. Did anybody do the short that I called? I said, great job, lady. She listens well.
chart trader.
Taylor did. My two trusty people, Taylor, D-Nice, they always do as told. Did, but closed out even. Wasn't sure if I was supposed to. That's fine, Steven. You're new, Steven, so you gotta get some coaching first, okay? Scott, Matt, buddy, ask for stops, guys. Is your stop is 98.75 right now? And on the YM, you are looking at right at
You want me to share this,
46.
Brian?
Um, all right, Scott, you're a premier dude. Ask for stops. I'm gonna give them to you. Okay, buddy. Would love for you to still be in this trade. Steven, again, yeah, that's all right, Steven. That's all right. That's cool. Yeah. Thank you, Taylor. That's right. Just follow what Taylor says. We'll get you taken care of, set up in no time.
Is that what you want, Brian?
Yeah, just let it run. If you're cool with that.
Yeah, I don't, just let it run.
I'm gonna bring everybody back to the ES screen because that's what most people are doing. But if you want to look at Coach Paul's grid every now and then, just click on that. You'll see what
Oh,
that's
you know
doing.
what? Let me.
Maybe you can throw the P&L.
Yeah, that's what I'm. I just thought the same thing when you said that.
I would just drag the settings thing all the way over. So
yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Let me find it first.
If it's a personal account, nobody can see it. They can just see.
Yeah, give me a second. Let me stop sharing for a minute. I don't want to. I'll reshare it. Just
It's
a second.
okay. On the screen, and we'll get you, Steven. We'll get you. Make sure to talk to Coach Paul. Make sure to be in orientation again today. Today's gonna be good, guys. It's all gonna be about trading today, orientation. But mostly, we gotta cover some stuff to like setups and swings in the markets. But once we get those two things covered, setups and swings in the market. Once we get those things covered today in the orientation, it's all going to be about trading, actual physically trading, and going into different setups, how to enter trades, how to manage trades. I'm gonna bring everybody back to my ES screen. Again, you can click on Coach Paul's grid. If you want to see the grid master running, doing its job. You should be flat on the ESMYM now. Let me look at your screen.
These settings are not correct. It says realized $19.60. It's up 42.58 already on my control panel.
That's yeah. I know what the difference is. Are you flat?
No, it's going.
Position.
I realized PA is 29.97, and then
doesn't the control center doesn't update to your flat.
Okay, all right. Well, it's making money all year, but
you guys, you can see it now.
All right, now I can trade. Now I need to trade.
Really? Because it looks like this thing's doing the trading for you.
Oh, that. I don't want to trade my other. I already got my other account made 175.50. I'm done. I shut that one down. So this is a different account.
In micros, you're already up
in micros
$6
before the open.
In micros.
And I'll just let this one run. I'll let this run. This is just an eval, so it's not. I'm not tech.
So if you were in minis, you would be up already
$200, 370,
2,400.
Yeah,
like 2,000, almost $2,000.
Yeah,
in minis. If you
were
in
minis,
this is almost $3,000. That's crazy.
Yeah. But the beauty of this is I'm not risking anything. It's very low risk stuff here.
Yeah. Micros for $300 already this morning. I take that.
And I'm running in both directions too. Probably would not be the smartest way to run it.
This market?
Yeah,
I don't know.
So, yeah, right now.
Let me see if it's got me in a position yet.
Definitely perfect.
I'm long one. Yeah.
We'll probably do
I'm not testing anything.
Probably next week.
We usually
Next
let
week.
we usually let the
I'll check
we
volume
usually
and see.
let yeah, either volume or Ninja's pretty good about getting that contract rollover timing. Pretty good, Lamont. So we usually follow when Ninja says to do it because that's usually pretty close to when volume changes.
Yeah, next Thursday. Yeah.
This is the 19th. What is this? No, it's the 24th. So it would probably be. It would probably be. It would actually probably be next the 17th. That will be when the volume changes. Because that's when it's going to go on
There she
break.
goes.
Stop trading this contract.
Now she starts making money.
The 17th will be most likely the day that will change.
Got a short forming on the
I
YM.
am
Short on the YM.
going to turn these, but yeah, I'm going to get a little short forming on the YM there. Good call. Thank you, Coach Paul. Playing ball in the middle here, guys. I'm trying to let I mean, again, I got one on the ES on the Gridmaster long. The MES that I'm running.
$124 already. I could walk away with that too. I'm gonna let it run though. Just gonna let it run.
That's nuts. You're up
124 on that one.
If you were in minis, that would be $4,000 already today.
I mean, that's just weird how my P&L is different than.
You wait till you're flat. It shows when you're flat.
All right.
Did you see when you turned it off last time that showed correctly?
Well, it's showing 109, 113.16 is my P&L right now. I realize, but look at what it's showing here, 80 to 88.32. I don't know why this is wrong. I mean, I don't care. I'm the P&L here. I'll show you my.
It correlates it when it's flat.
There's
no. I had it turned on stop when flat.
This is what it really is making. Right there. That's what it's made so far since I turned it on. And well, now it's going up, but that's what 13.16 is when it was flat.
That's just. Hey, tell me you can't pay for this thing.
And that's with micros, people. One micro at a time.
One micro.
Now it's at 120. Now it's at 124 going up. I'm just gonna let it run all day, see what happens. Win or lose, I don't care. Either I'm gonna qualify account today in micros, one micro at a time. I'm telling you, I've said it before, it's been averaging at least a couple $100 a day.
At this point, it has.
Mm-hmm.
On micros. And that's crazy. Make sure I don't stop and fly. Okay.
If I just.
No, we don't do stuff to help you guys out.
Yeah, one micro, Taylor.
Taylor, you're running it, right? Taylor, you're running it, right? Stretch. Nice job. Yep. I'm assuming that's micros as well. All right, cool, Taylor. Again, guys, those of you that are here on trial, we're just BSing right now. Those of you that are here on trial, obviously, we're excited about our creation here with the scaling tool, scale in, scale out tool with the grid, what we call the Gridmaster. Lincoln, why am I not getting it? I'm not sure what you mean. You can do the trial, Lincoln, for sure. But reach out to support Lincoln if you have any questions. Call Miss Paulina Otto. Check with Miss Paulina. She'll throw her phone number in here for you. Do you have a number? Or check with Coach Paul?
Oh, sorry, I'm answering a message.
There you
That
go.
one. There it
Reach
is,
out
right
to
there.
Miss Paulina Lincoln.
That number.
There you go. There you go, buddy. Thank you, Miss Paulina. All right, guys. I am still looking at YM. YM, you're holding the brakes. You're just putting the brakes on things right now. Yes, you might look at another M short. I think I must try it. I'm gonna give it a try if it gets up to the zone.
I'll try it.
Obviously, it hasn't gone to the zone yet, so. But again, I am sitting here showcasing the tools that we have.
Okay, we're gonna hold off on that YM, although it is a short. And I'll wait.
I think I'll take one chance from that zone. If that's not a good trade, I'm going to be on the long side the rest of the day. All right, guys. Obviously, everybody's flat on the first short call we made. That's about all we've had to do right now. We still don't have clear direction. Somebody's afraid of something. I don't know what's going on out here, but even the NQ doesn't have the swings it normally has, does it?
No, it's pretty choppy crap right now. Yeah, I'm thinking I might.
Well, the ES, if I didn't have that stupid stop and flat buttons on, it already did. Bootmaster already gave me.
Yeah, I don't have the stop when flat. I'm just letting it run.
I know. I don't know why I had that on. And then why did it put me in an MES position yet?
That is what I was wondering because of like it's all week. It's like the market. Yep. 6099.
Yeah, I'm with you, Lamont.
Yeah. 6099 would be an area.
Well, we just called another M here. I literally just called another M for the ES for you guys. So if anybody took that short call again, your targets are off. Did anybody take the short call again? Anybody else? Anybody? Ron Joe, good job, buddy. Listen, Ron, take the trades I call. Okay, man. That's your job until I see you next week. Don't do anything on your own. Okay? Listen to the boss man. He'll take care of you.
To the boss man. I like this first touch if we get a hook.
I'm just kidding. I don't like calling myself the boss man because I don't feel like that should be. I feel like it should be another member of the club.
We all know who the boss is.
Oh, yeah, we are.
Yeah.
Who's the boss, guys? Everybody knows who it is.
It's definitely not me or you.
Guarantee D Nice knows who it is.
Oh. Needs to go back up.
Gracie obviously knows who it is too. All right. Nobody took that short. Ron Joe was on and took it. Okay, I just got some NQ. All right. Let me think about this for a minute. Let me pull this Bootmaster away for a second and look at these higher time frames and see what we can look, see what we can ascertain from this. I mean, obviously we're working on a tiny little inside day here. We did again nail that all-time high yesterday, guys. Can you believe that? We did it in training too. Think about this. Look, if we'd left it open for if we'd stayed here for just 20 minutes longer yesterday, you would have seen our work in action. How many people were training yesterday? this is a good topic since we only have one person short, and I'll give you your stops, Ron Joe. You stay in that short, and I'll call stops for you. Okay. Right now you're at 98.75. Ron Joe, you stay in that short, buddy. It kills me how we can have like still 100, 150 people in here, and one person's in the short.
Yeah.
150 people. I know a bunch of people don't talk because they're just listening in and following the calls and trading, and they're on their app instead of on the computer watching. I mean, so there's probably 75 of those people who have been long-term members that don't need to participate. They just listen in and take the calls and don't participate. But out of the other 75 people, we should have a few more in the short. And you're about to get another little M here in the YM. I still need to do a little looking around here, guys. Base. This is setting up for big time. Setting up for big time for people. I don't know why, but that's what the charts say. I don't care why either. Follow the charts. So stay in your shorts. All right, Taylor. YM. You're not short yet on the YM. It's just ES was called, Stephen. Have you, Coach Paul, have you had a call with the, oh, he stepped away. Stephen yet? Stephen, have you had a call with Coach Paul yet? Yeah, Scott, I don't know why it's setting up for big time short, but the charts say that it's setting up for a big time short. That's interesting. Oh, you're at work. Okay. All right. Just make sure to get with Coach Paul when you're not at work for your like setup and get your running call. You can call Miss Paulina. She'll throw her number in again, I think, and she'll get you on Paul's calendar, or she can reach out to you. I think. I don't know if she's still around. Oh, there she is. Ah, she's doing her job today. Thanks. I'm not getting fired. Yeah.
Oh, so be careful.
Be careful. Cool. Okay. All right. Those of you on trial, why don't we do this? Let's do a little run through on the members area for the trial people. Those of you, a couple people on trial have participated today. I think we got a lot of people on trial. Welcome. I just realized something. I think I see somebody on trial that I know.
Uh-oh.
Miss Holly. Somebody that I know. It's fine. It's fine. Be shy.
Boss lady. Oh, yeah. Hey, this is just.
Oh, there she is. Yeah. All right. Awesome. Oh, that was you. Ryan did this one, I think, as well. Who else is it? We had
You're muffled.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Muffled.
Marky,
There
what's
we
up? Marky, what's happening? 16 people on trial this morning. Great job. Welcome aboard. Obviously, so let me go through a couple things. Guys, members, do you mind if I just kind of do some, since we're not really doing much right
I
now?
mean, there's not much to do here. Not much to see.
Members, do you guys mind if I
Thank
just
you,
kind of
Short.
go through some things with the trials? You cool with that? Coach Paul, thank you, Short, by the way, just now, so listen to it. I'm just going to talk through some things. I'm going to bring you guys my ES screen. Obviously, we're showing off the scaling tool on Coach Paul's screen. So, a couple things we look at. We're very, very patient traders. If you please, I would come to the orientation we have here on trial this afternoon, 12 to 3 ish, depending on how excited I get about teaching. But we create zones. And the reason we create zones is because that's usually where high probability of institutional activity is. And what I'll show you is with our zones, we're pretty darn accurate. As you can see from yesterday, we nailed an all-time high to the tick. I didn't move that down as far as I wanted to. Was it tick off? But to the tick, we nailed the all-time high yesterday, literally. So before it happened, obviously, in our training, and then our zones prior to that worked out fantastically throughout the day. And then if you go back in time, we keep track of our prior zones. So the blue line represents the bottom of prior zones. So as you can see, as we scroll back in time, you had some decent shorts, decent longs from our prior zones. Obviously, you see that zone from days and days before. Same again, decent longs. And our auto traders will put you into these trades automatically as well. So we are showing off our traders a little bit. Again, decent little shorts, longs here from the zone. If we keep going back in time, get some nice. Oh, that's why that line's off. That's zone's supposed to be right there. What is going on here? Craziness. Move my lines. Anyway, so there we go. Again, we didn't just go back and superimpose these on just to make it look good. Members, tell them. Hey, Marky. Members, tell them these are real zones we had before. Somebody speak up for me, please.
I would, but it doesn't count if I say anything.
These are real zones. Help us out, guys. We don't want. We're really transparent here, guys. Everything's transparent with us. I'll show you when I take a trade, you'll know it. All right, I'm gonna turn off this. I don't like this price action here on the ES. So
No, this is pretty ugly.
I don't know if I want to short it.
I need to
the long. I mean, and I'm afraid of the long right now. So
put,
it's got to stay above the all-time high for me to want to be long.
So I would have
I think I'll try one short. Like I said, I'll try one short.
I don't like it.
Already made some money on the grid. Hey, look, I realized 141 on the ES and $12.50 on the MES, the Gridmaster. All right, let's see if we get this. Again, it just looks, everything on the chart today, it looks like it's setting up to be a big fake out. Get everybody thinking long.
Look, I would normally would shut that off at this point. I'm gonna let it run, but normally I would shut that off. Micros.
Again, guys, if that
48 micros and 175 on the first one. So what is that? $400 over $400 is made today. in micros.
That were minis, that would be $4,000 already. You'd be done for the day.
Typically, I would shut it off right
And
here
this
and just
thing-
take the money, but
And
I'm
this
gonna
thing,
let it run.
and it only
Maybe
costs
I'll shut it.
$39 a month. Can you believe that?
Maybe I should shut it off and just switch the account. Just why give it
You
back?
might should do that.
Yeah, you know.
All right, so let's talk through kind of our process with the new people. So those of you on trial, let me bring you back to my ES screen here, everybody. Those of you guys on trial, we are really trying to figure out what direction Mark's going to go in right now, and we do have a set of rules that we follow. I'm going to go through those with you in a second. We'll do a quick recap. We're
Switch your
very
channel.
patient. We're going to look for. Give me just a second, Coach Paul.
Yes, go ahead.
We're going to be looking for short from here, guys. If you get the 9-tick rule, take it. If you get a reversal, take it. I'd probably take it. I know everything says up, but we've seen this play before from the big boys and girls. They get you all excited about the push up all-time highs. We're gonna go for it, and then they just slam it right back down. So let's go to. So we have a process. We create our zones, and then we use pretty simple trade setups. We use M's. We use a reversal on a range chart. We have a reversal trade setup, and then we use the 89 exponential on this. Now I don't want that. I still think.
All right.
Has it gone to a new all-time high yet? Let's see what we just hit new all-time high. So I'll turn that puppy off. So I gotta stay above that zone. I'll turn the long button on if it does. And you know what? I'm gonna stick to what I said. As long as it stays in the zone, I'll take one shot at a short. If it doesn't, then I'm not gonna do it. All right. So we use our zones. Our zones, as you can see, work pretty darn well. And we do have setups. We use the first touch rule, 89 exponential on the tick chart. We use range charts for reversals. We have different trade setups. And I think the easiest way to do this is send you guys to my ES screen again, make sure everybody's there. So those of you on trial, let's do this. Real quick review here. I know the market's moving up. It seems like we're missing out on stuff. Again, we're very, 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 very patient traders. Let me just move this over just a little bit so you guys can see the edge of the ES here if you're really worried about something. All right, so you join the room through the live trade room button here today. We'll have orientation at noon today, so I think Ms. Paulina can throw in a link to that. We had day one yesterday where we taught people how to make zones and why they're so important. Today is going to be all about trading. We have a toolkit for you to try if you're a NinjaTrader user already. Download the toolkit. If you're not a NinjaTrader user, they have a free trial you can use to try it out. It's like most other platforms. It's the difference between a Mac and a PC, basically, if you're on a different platform. If you're not on NinjaTrader, you can still get your zones through the Twitter, Telegram, Twittergram. It's a Twittergram.
It's a Twittergram.
Yeah. No, Telegram. You can get our zones through Telegram. If you're on NinjaTrader, or if you want to try out NinjaTrader, just try it out. We're not pushing NinjaTrader. Actually, I'm not a huge fan of NinjaTrader personally, but that's just what we ended up adopting. We do have some offers for partners. We do typically do training once a week, but we have the orientation this week in the orientation room, so that counts for our training this week. And you can download some stuff here to get you started with us. Obviously, the indicators we use. We have a couple books that we highly suggest reading. We do have an app. So if you're on the go or you're in a meeting or an office or something, you can put in your earbuds, turn on the app. You can see us live and listen live while you're pretending like you're working. Then if you're newer to trading, please go through this core methodology. It will get you started. I believe that would be Miss Holly. You want to go through this core methodology videos, and probably if Miss Paulina hasn't already done it, set up a call with Coach Paul,
Me.
because I know you're relatively new to trading. So if you're relatively new, definitely go start at the top here on the video recordings and just go from the top to the bottom. If you've been trading for a while and you want to get the skinny on what we're doing, get down to here to the elite class replays. You guys following along with this? Those of you that are on trial. Okay, cool. All right. So if you're relatively been around trading for a while, scroll down to the elite class replays if you want to get the quick skinny rundown on what we're doing. Start with this finding levels. That's our zones. That's how we find our zones. Start with that video and go down all the way to trailing stops and trade management. Those 5 videos will pretty much the classes we actually did. And as a matter of fact, if you're new to the club, we're actually starting at the top again and creating a new series of classes, which will just basically mimic these, but just in current price and current price action and for newer people. So about every, well, how many videos? 30 videos. So about every 30 weeks, we rotate through our process again with our classes. But definitely watch these 5 videos. Finding levels. This is a reversal, 9-tick rule. This is the YM reversal, 16-tick rule, M&W entries, trade stops, and trade management. Definitely have to do those 5 videos if you're on trial. All right, there you go. There's a quick rundown of Liberty Trading Club, what we're doing, how we're doing it, why we want to do it, and still keeps canceling that short there. I think maybe if you guys want to take a shot at it, you could do short. If you're green, newbies, stay away from this. Newbies, if you're struggling to be profitable, you haven't taken a trade yet and you're not trading yet. Okay? Got it? Ron Joe, don't be out there doing your own thing, buddy. Please. Newbies, anybody struggling to be profitable, please do not trade this market. If you are consistently profitable, you could probably take a shot at a short from here. But I wouldn't make this the first trade of my day if you're not already consistently profitable. But bigger risk. All right, the M got me in. Let's see if that gets me some profits. Oh man, I missed that YM short. Sorry guys. Came straight from the zone too. Sorry about that. I was over there trying to get everybody acclimated with what we do. All right. There's your rundown of Liberty Trading Club. Thanks for being here. Those of you on trial, glad you're here, and we will do some trades. We will. We're just very patient traders. Very patient. Um, I have both of these on that same Apex account now. So if the reversal goes off, you're going to see another orders on the screen. So just know that. And there you go with the Gridmaster doing its job. At 250, or 241 and 26. Targets off. Anybody take that short with me? Anybody at all? Let's leave this here. You guys watch the Gridmaster. Anybody take that short with me? You see, guys, you see when I turn on the button. You don't have to, that's it's not a magical thing here. I'm gonna go to break even now. At 6,150. Sorry, did anybody do the YM short? Guys, here's my truest suggestion. When you see me turn on the button, what do you think you should do? Thank you, Marky. Good job, Michael. Gracie, good job. Westy, good job. Michael again, yes. Good job, guys. All right, great job, people. Good, Marky. Schedule a call with Coach Paul. He'll get you up and running as well. Oh, I meant to do that real quick. While I manage a trade, at the top of our members area, which I don't know why it's not showing. Oh, real quick, at very top members area, you can click on this black bar, get a call scheduled with Coach Paul, and he will get you up and running and tell you how to follow along with us. I'm gonna lock in. You guys saw that I took 2 targets off already. I'm just gonna lock in another tick right now, hoping that it respects the 89. I'm gonna stay right behind this prior swing until this breaks below this swing here. Okay, guys? All right, cool with that. Get 2 darts off, guaranteed. You make on that, Brian. I'm still in a trade, so far, let me look at my control center. I know so far I've guaranteed myself $75 plus $100 so far. I've guaranteed myself. It's about to be more than that though. And then the Gridmaster obviously has me up 200 and something here on the ES, and then 25 on the MES, and it's flat right now. So far today, yesterday was what, 3,000? What did it do yesterday? Where's my little? Where's that? Where's my what did I post yesterday, guys? What was my final number? No, I'm not doing time set counts. I don't really do the do the prop count thing. I'm just doing the prop count on our trading tools, just to show that it works. If this breaks below this low here, guys, we're gonna pull our stop down to probably right at the 89 there. So let's just give it a second here. Hopefully it breaks down. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and lock in a couple more ticks, because if it does take out that, let's just stay right above. Let's see, one. Yeah, if it takes out this, it's gonna take out. It's gonna go back up. So now we can use. Sorry, if I can get my stop flag. 99.50, and let's see it run down more. Let's get a runner out of this. How about that, guys? We call copies these trades to how many prop counts? Paul, you're on mute.
Sorry, I'm sitting here talking away. Yes, 6 accounts.
So 8 copies to 6 accounts.
6 accounts, yeah. This
What was my final profit yesterday, guys? I can't remember what it was.
30. It was like
3,000
30
something.
3. I want to say 38, but maybe 36.
3,800.
Something like
Yeah,
that.
I think it was like
I remember seeing it. I just don't remember exactly what it was.
Scroll up. I can open the orientation room.
Yeah.
I mean, we can't make that up.
Yeah.
Copies 3.
I mean, that's really, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, I mean, we've got our trade copier that we provided you guys with a deep discount at that from a partner of ours.
No,
we'll do up to 20. It'll do up to 20 accounts, won't
it? It'll do as many as they'll allow, but most prop funds won't allow more than 10 or 20. Yeah.
And I'm sorry I missed that.
Short on the YM.
YM. Yeah. Sorry I missed that.
That was nice.
Guys. Look around the charts again. Yeah, it just looks, everything just looks like it says that this is a classic. Get everybody excited about the longs and then dump it.
Yeah, that's the idea, Marky. That's kind of what I shoot for every day. Anywhere from 2 to 500. I shut it down, copied across my 6 accounts.
Yeah, I mean, $200 times 6 or 10 is a pretty decent day, and
yeah,
I mean,
$500
think
even better.
About it. Here you go, Mark. This one trade, you're done. Right here. You'd be done right now. Just this one trade. Because now we've locked in, let's see, what 115. So we've locked in dollars in profit, guaranteed profits on just this one trade. Not to mention what the good masters.
Killing it. I haven't even traded anything else. Just letting it run.
Weird. Flat again on both of them. Make sure their settings are right again. I don't know.
Yeah,
why.
I don't have the flatten button. I just let it run. I just close it when I want to close it.
Hang on just 1 second, guys.
Good morning, everyone. This is Paulina here. Hopefully you've enjoyed our live stream this morning of our trade room. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room for live trade calls, you can visit libertytradingclub.com/start free trial. The link is in the description below, and you'll get a free 3-day trial of our trade room. You also can do a 7-day free trial of all 3 of our indicators that we demonstrated in the room this morning. Our auto traders are M&W, Tick Reversal, and Grid Master, which is a scaling tool. Please like, subscribe, and share.